Imagine being 70 and still playing with your grandchildren, full of energy, instead of struggling just to get dressed. What if I told you that just 15 minutes a day could make that your reality? Here's the truth: after age 60, we lose up to 3 to 5% of our muscle mass each decade, and even faster if we're inactive. Your body quietly starts letting go of the muscles, nerves, and reflexes that used to keep you steady and confident. That loss in muscle mass leads to weakness, poor balance, and higher fall risk. But it's not too late to fight back. I've got 5 simple exercises that seniors should do every day to stay strong, steady, and independent, right from the comfort of home. These are easy exercises for seniors over 60 at home, and they work even if you've never exercised before. So if you've been looking for real-life exercises for balance and stability for seniors, ones that help prevent falls, improve walking, and let you feel secure again, you're in the right place. Let me say this clearly: falling isn't just an accident. It's a warning sign. And if you've had one fall or near miss, more are likely unless you take action. These next 5 exercises aren't just about movement, they're about freedom. Because when you move better, you live better. You enjoy outings, family time, and even everyday things like cooking or gardening. You'll want to stay till the end, because one of these bonus tips might be the reason you never struggle with stairs again. Let's start with the first, leg strengthening exercises for seniors, which strengthens your legs and teaches your body to rise up with power again. First up, single leg stance. Single leg stance exercises are excellent for improving balance, coordination, stability, and leg strength, especially important for seniors to prevent falls and stay independent. If you've ever felt like your legs forgot how to hold you steady, this is your retraining tool. Here's how to do the single leg stance to build balance and lower body strength. Hold on to the back of a chair. Lift one foot slightly and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Switch sides. Try 3 to 5 times each. Think of it like testing your built-in GPS. You're telling your body, hey, it's time to find our center again. It teaches your body to balance again, one leg at a time, just like when you're walking or stepping off a curb. However, they also carry some risk if not done carefully. Seniors should always perform single leg stance exercises near a sturdy support like a chair or wall, on a flat, non-slip surface while wearing stable footwear. Start slowly with short holds, keep eyes open, and stop if you feel dizzy or unsteady. Coming up next is a walking drill that rebuilds your natural stride, and it's surprisingly fun. 2. Heel-to-toe walk. As we get older, our walking style may change. It might become a little slower, shorter, or less steady, and that's completely normal. This exercise helps improve coordination, stride length, and focus, all key to fall prevention. Here is how to do the heel-to-toe walk to improve balance and prevent falls in seniors. Walk forward in a straight line, placing your heel directly in front of your toe each step, like you're walking on a tightrope. Use a hallway wall or counter for support. This is one of the top exercises to improve balance for seniors that also sharpens your brain-body connection. Can you feel your legs adjusting? Good. Because the next one brings in rhythm and posture, 2 things that can fade faster than we realize. Next up, marching in place. This one brings everything together: your legs, core, and balance systems. Marching in place builds muscle coordination and can help improve walking speed and posture. Here's how to do marching in place to improve balance and leg strength at home. Stand up straight, keeping your back and legs straight. Breath normally. Slowly raise one knee, then the other, as if you're marching. Try 20 to 30 steps. You can use a chair or countertop for safety. Each step is like tapping your body on the shoulder and saying, stay alert. Stay steady. And now, let's light up the ankles, the tiny joints that often cause the biggest slips. 4th, toe and heel raises. The muscles in your feet and ankles are your body's shock absorbers. They help you stay upright when you trip or change direction. Here is how to do toe and heel raises to strengthen ankles and improve walking stability. For toe raises, stand behind a chair. Rise onto your toes, hold briefly, then lower. For heel raises, lift your toes while keeping heels down. Repeat each move 10 times. These are quick but powerful exercises for seniors to do at home to stay sure-footed. Step UPS, stairs or low step. Let's talk stairs. Love them or hate them, stairs are part of daily life, at home, outside, even visiting a friend. And if you've ever hesitated at the bottom of a staircase, unsure if your legs are up for the climb, this next move is for you. Step UPS build leg strength, boost coordination, and teach your body to trust itself on stairs again. That means fewer stumbles, stronger knees, and more independence. Here's how seniors can perform step-ups using stairs or a low step at home. Find a low, sturdy step, like the bottom stair or a fitness step platform. Step up with your right foot. Bring the left foot up to meet it. Step down 1 foot at a time. Repeat 10 times per leg. Think of this exercise as rehearsing your body's natural elevator. You're training each floor to feel steady again. And here's the secret sauce: as you get stronger, stairs no longer look like obstacles, they become just another step in your day. So now you know the moves, but coming up are my bonus tips that make all the difference, especially if you've got stiff joints or past injuries. Bonus tip number 1, how to stay safe while exercising: use a chair or counter for support. It's not weakness, it's wisdom. Bonus tip number 2, best footwear for senior exercise: protect your joints with supportive shoes with good grip. Think of them like shock absorbers for your spine and knees. Bonus tip number 3, consistency wins. Start slow, even 2 to 3 times a week. You'll see improvement without burnout. Bonus tip number 4, do what feels right. Pain is not progress. Modify if needed, what matters most is that you move. When you do these 5 exercises seniors should do every day, you're doing more than just moving. You're telling your body, I'm not done yet. I've got places to go, people to see, and things to enjoy. And as your balance improves, your confidence will grow. You'll walk taller, stand stronger, and fear less. Want more than just exercises? Hit that subscribe button now and stay empowered. If this resonates with you, tap that like button and drop a comment below saying, I'm reclaiming my strength. Let's keep this community strong and moving together. And before you go, let me ask you this. What if some of the veggies you've been eating for years are actually draining your energy and weakening your legs? In our next video, we reveal 3 vegetables seniors should never eat, and what to eat instead to rebuild your strength. Click the video on your screen now, and let's keep you steady, strong, and unstoppable.